Dude, what's wrong with the game? It's not working.
Don't worry, I'll fix it.
What are we gonna do? Should we blow in the cartridge?
Nah, bro. Cut out the middleman and go straight to the Nintendo itself. First take a huge bong hit, and then blow it directly into the intake port.
Wow, I can't believe that actually works.
Everything's turning all weird.
The whole world's turning into vector graphics.
What was in that shit, man?
I'm getting really into this game.
Take a huge bong hit.